Dear students, last day we had discussed how to change the direct speech into indirect form of speech of interrogative sentence. Now, only some sentences of interrogative sentences for recapitulation. Recapitulation of interrogative sentences. We have already discussed. Take one sentence of interrogative sentence to change from direct speech into indirect form of speech. I said to him, do you complete your work daily? Question mark. I am taking only those sentences which start with do, does, or did. Indirect. I asked him. We have discussed that if the reported speech starts with any helping verb or finite verb, then the conjunction is either if or whether. Take if conjunction. If do not comes with not, then it will be omitted or deleted. First take subject, you second person according to object. Now him will be changed into subject because after conjunction subject form is used. Nominative case. V1 changes into V2 means simple present changes into simple past. If he completed your second person according to object, object is him, this is possessive form. And what is possessive of him? His. We have already prepared a chart. You will revise that chart. Him will be changed into his. Second person according to object, this is possessive form, and possessive of him is his. Work daily. What happened here? This helping verb which is not supported with not is deleted. Okay. Now take another sentence. Mohan said to Rani, does this boy not cry for toys? Here we notice that does helping verb comes with not. In this case, does will not be omitted that we found in the first sentence. Does not will be changed into did not, but after the subject, because we have to change the interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Here the general rules will be applied. Mohan asked Rani. Conjunction will be if. This will be changed to that. Boy, first subject, then wow. Does not will be changed into did not. Cry. I have told you that V1 will be changed into V2, as here we have done. Complete V1 is changed into V2, but here not, because we have already made this sentence into past. Simple present changes into simple past. Okay, so this will be in the first form of the verb, because here we find the second form of verb do into did. That boy did not cry for toys. Mohan asked Rani if that boy did not cry for toys. Here does is not deleted. Now take another sentence. The son said to his father. This sentence we shall take with WH word. What do you do in the office? This is the question by the son to his father. Here WH. Two types of do verb is used. This is helping verb and this is the main verb. Main verb is not deleted. Main verb do will be changed into did. And this helping verb will be deleted, omitted, because it is not supported by not. Okay, this will be deleted. Helping verb. Main verb is not deleted, not left, not omitted. That's why I have taken this type of sentence. The son asked his father. Here no use of conjunction if, because we have found here WH question. If WH, same conjunction, this conjunction, same WH will be used. Now the general rules would be applied. This will be deleted. Why? Because this is a helping verb. Now take the subject, you, second person. Second person change according to the object. This part, which is within inverted comma, changes according to this sentence, which is beyond inverted comma. This changes according to this. You, second person, according to object, his father. It means he. We have to use after conjunction what? Subject form. What he. Now this main verb do will be changed into did, because we will know that V1 is changed into V2. What he did in the office. once again we take notice that which words are changed. Only the verb and person. And the words remain the same. Except some words. For example, this, that, these, those we have already discussed. Now take one more example. Father said to his son, when did you return from the market? Okay, we have taken only those examples which begins either with do or does, did. Okay. Father asked his son. Once again, I am reminding you that if you have used asked, then no use of to. WH, same, when. First subject, because we have to change the interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Here, general rules will be applied. First subject, you. Second person changes according to object, his son. It means he. Did is the second form of the verb. Second form of the verb means simple past. And we have learnt that simple past changes into past perfect. What is the structure of past perfect? Had V3. If V2, then had V3. Okay, simple past changes into past perfect. Had, when he had, you changes into he, did, had, and V3, return. From the market. Okay. This was the revision of interrogative sentence. Recapitulation. Now we have to study how to change the direct speech into indirect form of speech of imperative sentence. Reported speech of imperative sentence. Okay. What do we find in the imperative sentence? Order, request, advice, urge. Okay, so according to the sense, reporting verbs are used. Generally, imperative sentence starts with verb. How to identify the interrogative sentence? That this is the interrogative sentence when we find the use of verb. When the sentence starts with verb. Generally, imperative sentence begins with wow. For example, bring me a glass of water. Get out from here. Stand up. Sit down. These types of sentences start with a wow. Number 2. According to sense, reporting verbs are what? Order, advise, advice, then noun, advise, then verb, request, urge, prohibit, forbid, ask, etc. Not. Prohibit is followed by from conjunction. Okay. And then before ing form. This is with the case of prohibit. We have learned that in assertive sentence the conjunction that is used, and in interrogative sentence if the sentence starts with a helping verb then if or whether, if WH then the same WH, but in imperative sentence conjunction we use conjunction to. Okay, now take some examples. The teacher said to me, go out of the classroom. Here, what sense do we find here? Order. Okay. The teacher if the sentence is in present tense, then order. Here sentence past tense, then ordered. If ordered, then no use of to. The teacher ordered me Conjunction to. Very easy. And we know that after to, first form of the verb is used. To go out of the classroom. Okay. B. I shall say to him. Do not sit idle. Idle means lazy. Here, which type of sense we find? Advice. Okay. I shall. Present tense. Here future. Shall V1. Modal verb V1. I shall advise him. We have found in the assertive sentence that do not is changed into did not. But in imperative sentence, do will be deleted. Only we shall use not, negative sense. But here we don't write first to. To is, notice that, very important thing I am telling you. To is always followed by not. First not, then to. Okay, you can't write first to, then not. First not, then to. Not to sit idle. Okay. And what happened in assertive sentence? Do not change into did not. We have just noticed this time also. But in imperative sentence, do will be deleted. Okay. Now here we use this word, this reporting verb forbid. Forbid, negative sense. Mana karna. Okay. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Mana karna. Okay. So this reporting verb may be also used. I shall forbid. Okay. Forbid means मना करना. तो जब मना हो गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली दिस वर्ड विल बी डिलीटेड. I shall forbid him. Forbid gives the negative sense. So not will be also deleted. I shall forbid him. Do already deleted. Not is also deleted. Why? Because this gives the negative sense. Forbid means mana karna. I shall forbid him. Conjunction to sit idle. Okay, any problem? Do is deleted in which sentence? Imperative sentence, but not in interrogative and assertive. Do is deleted. Forbid give already negative sense, then not is also deleted. Okay. Now let's take another example. D. I said to my friend, give me my book. Whose book? My book. Okay. But if you have given anything to anyone, then you have to make request. So here we find request, a sense of request. When you have given your own thing to anyone, you have to make request. You can't take it by force. For reporting verb, I requested, no use of to, my friend what will be conjunction? To give, yes, me first person according to subject. This is objective case, so I will be changed into objective. Same, me. My first person according to subject. Subject I. This is possessive form. And what is possessive of I? My, same. If you have confusion, no, it is the book of I. So why he will make request? Yes, he has to make request. But suppose that you are confused. Here is request or not. Suppose that you can't recognize any sense. In that case, you may use the reporting verb ask. Okay. Ask doesn't mean only puchna. Ask means kahna also. Okay. Ask means mangna also. So here, if we don't recognize, identify any sense, then we may use which reporting verb? Ask. I asked my friend to give me my friend. Either requested. If you are unable to find a sense, in that case, you may use ask. Okay. Number E. The teacher said to students, be quiet and listen to my words patiently. Here, which type of sense you identify? What? Order. The teacher doesn't always give order. Here you can use a reporting of urge. Urge means जोर डालना, किसी बात पर विशेष जोर डालना. The teacher urged, not followed by to, urged students. We know that imperative sentence starts with verb and we have to use conjunction to be quiet and listen to now here person changes, verbs changes. Here is also verb, but after to V1 is used, first form of the verb. Person, my first person according to subject. Subject is what? He. This is possessive case. So what is possessive of he? His. We have drawn the chart and we have memorized also. First person according to subject. He. This is possessive form. He, possessive form, his. His words patiently. Okay. D. My father said to children, don't shout. Here also negative sense. And in the case of negative, we have found that in assertive sentence and interrogative sentence do not change into did not. But in imperative sentence, do is omitted. And we can also use forbid. Okay. And we can also use prohibit. First use forbid. Forbid is mana karna. Prohibit means also mana karna. But here we find difference in the use of these words forbid and prohibit. After prohibit, we use from preposition. And before. First, forbid. My father. What is V2 of forbid? Forbid. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. V1, then forbid. V2, forbade. Forbade, no use of to. Forbade children. If we use forbid or forbade, then conjunction to, and it will be also deleted because negative sense is given by this word, this reporting verb, forbade. Do is also deleted? Not also deleted. My father forbade children to shout here, there. Now, I use the word prohibit. Prohibit is always followed by from preposition and then before. My father prohibited children. In imperative sentence, we use the conjunction to, but in the case of prohibit, we use from. My father prohibited children from, and after preposition, we use what? Before. From shouting. Here will be changed into there. In this way, we change the direct speech of imperative sentence into indirect form of speech. But here, one more reporting verb is left. What is that? Propose. We know that after these types of reporting verbs, to is not used. Okay? To is not used. Forbid, no to. Ask, not to. Request, not to. But if we use reporting verb propose, then to will be used. In which case propose to is used? Propose to reporting verb is used when we find the proposal in the sentence. Take the example. When we find the sense of any proposal, prastav, in the sentence, reporting verb is proposed to. A past tense, then proposed to. Only one reporting verb which is followed by to. Okay, let us take one example. My friend said to us, let us enjoy a party in a hotel. This is a proposal. So in that case, what will be the reporting verb? Proposed to. But this is the past. So the reporting verb proposed to. My friend proposed to us. Here, this is the exception. We know that in imperative sentence, to conjunction is used. But here, when we find any proposal, then that conjunction will be applied. Okay, this is the exception. That. Now leave here. Leave this word. First subject. Us. Us, first person, according to subject. Okay, my friend, he. But this is the plural form. So what is plural of he? We know, they. As first person, according to subject, he. This is plural. And what is plural of he? They. Now let will be changed into should. First subject, then let. First subject us, they, and let will be changed into should. Now enjoy. You can put a question that enjoy is V1, it will be changed to V2. No. After modal verb, only first form of the verb is used. Enjoy. These words will be not changed. Some words, this, that, here, there, now, then, today, that day. Enjoy a party in a hotel. Okay. Take another example. I said to my friends, let us revise the lesson properly. Okay. Here we also find proposal. Reporting verb proposed to my friends. And answer will be that, not to. Because we find here what? Proposal. That. First subject, then let. Okay. First person changes according to subject. Okay. This is plural form. This is the plural form. So, what is plural of I? We. I am repeating once again. Don't get confused. As first person, according to subject. Us plural. So what is plural of I? We. Here we find that as first person according to subject. Subject he. Us plural. So what is plural of he? They. So here us was changed into they because subject was he and plural of he was they. Now here you may get confused, but be clear. Us first person according to subject I also first person. Okay. Now us is plural and what is plural of I? We. So here we find that us change into they and us change into we. Now this late will be changed into should. Revise the lesson properly. Take one more example with late. Okay. Here two uses of late. Okay. He said to me, please let me go to my home. Here no proposal, here is request. So let will not be changed into should. Here no use of conjunction that because no proposal here. What is here? Request. And for request, what is reporting verb? Requested or request. He requested me. Please was changed to requested, so this will be deleted. Please, sir, madam are deleted. So this was deleted and changed into requested. Now once again conjunction to will be applied. We said not that we see late, then that and late will be changed to should. No, because we are request. Only in the sense of proposal we use the conjunction that and late change into should. We requested me to, late will remain the same. Okay. To late, me first person changes according to subject he. This is in objective case, object form. So what is object of he? Him. Go is V1, it will not be changed to V2 because after late always V1. After modal verb always V1. After modal verb always V1. After late always V1. V1 here will not be changed into V2. Let me go to my first person according to subject he. This is possessive case. And what is possessive of he? His home. So me was changed to him because this was the object. And my was changed to his because this was the possessive form. Okay. Now I think that you have understood how to change the direct speech of imperative sentence into indirect form of speech. Now homework. change into indirect form of speech. The teacher said to the students, let me check your answers. Here no proposal. Okay. He said to me, wait here till I return. My friend said to me, go to bed early and rise early too. Said to me, please lend me your book. The teacher said to me, and be a good student. Okay, complete. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. Thanks.